This is our GripEdge RPT Hex. We're removing a rusted hex fastener from this industrial pump. It has our rounding prevention technology, which prevents damage from happening to a rusted fastener like this one, and we're able to successfully remove it without rounding it out. Now in this scenario, this is in a tight access area, and it's kind of an awkward angle where you couldn't use a long hex or you couldn't use our regular hex. So now we're going to use our GripEdge RPT Dual Action Driver, and we were able to break loose the seized hex fastener. They are dual drive, so you can use an 11mm wrench over the back of it to drive it, or you could use a 1/4" ratchet. But for this area, we had to use an 11mm wrench. Here's my point of view when loosening up this fastener. You could see the dual action driver was sticking up a little bit. Wanted to make sure I got it fully seated in that fastener. We're able to crack it loose here. And then I rotated the wrench enough and we're able to get it out of here. But this spring, we will be releasing a ratchet to pair alongside our 1/4" dual action drivers. We also have 3/8 drive dual action drivers that you can use a 17mm wrench on. But you can see just how rusted those hex fasteners were, and we prevented them from rounding out.